with her
Tọ́
is that I am
àkùtì
not
dásìkò
going to
yìí o.
go back and forth
Àṣé
with her on social
látọjọ́ yìí
media.
tí Lizzy Anjorin ti ń pariwo sepeteri
I
sepeteri,
would want
àṣé
to go back and
Lizzy
forth with
Iyabo
her
OJO ló ń
with the
bá
law.
wí. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí o.
So I would like you guys to
Queen
please help
Mother
me
ti
tag
bínú tán,
Lizzy
ó sì
Anjorin
tán láti gbé
and tell her
bẹ́rẹ́gì
I
ìjà
said
kaná pẹ̀lú Lizzy Anjorin.
sepeteri
Ó ní tán bá
is
ti bí
actually
Lizzy Anjorin dá,
a
tán bá ti
state,
bí ìyáláyà rẹ̀ dá,
a village,
kó dárúkọ òun.
right? A place
Ó
in
tọ́ ni Lizzy
Nigeria.
Anjorin látijọ́
It's
yìí
not
náà
a
bí kò
name.
mọ sọ pé
It's not
sepeteri
my name.
dàda nǹkan nǹkan.
Whatever
Iyabo
name
OJO
that
ti
she
wá
has
ní
given me, I would
ẹni
appreciate
tẹ́rù
that
ń
if
bà
she wants to make allegations,
ní ò ní lè
she should
dárúkọ
be
ẹni tó
bold
fẹ́ bá jà,
enough to mention
pé
my
tán bá
name.
ti wá bí dá kó
My
dárúkọ
name
òun.
is Alice
Queen
Iyabo
Mother ti bínú
OJO.
tán o, ẹ
So
gbọ́rọ̀
Lizzy
látẹnu Queen
Anjorin,
Mother.
your allegations of saying that I am gist lover, your allegations of saying that I was involved with Mohbad's death, your allegations, all your allegations that you have brought forth, everything that you have said about my children, all your allegations that you said about my man, everything that you have said, I have seen the videos. But the only problem I have is you're not mentioning my name. So I am daring you. I am mentioning your name first, Lizzy Anjorin. Kindly mention my name, please. When you're making your allegations, please be bold enough. Stop using me on Facebook to make money. Because I hear that on Facebook, they buy stars for you. If you want to make money with my name, you need to take my authorizations to do that. Because when you're saying situations, you're stating situations, you're saying this, you're describing my children, describing my man, describing me, but you're not mentioning my name, it means that you are a coward. Lizzy Anjorin, I dare you. You're a coward. If you want to take this fight to the next level, right? My darling, kindly mention my name. My name is Alice Iyabo OJO. Mention my name. And then you would have to bring facts, make facts. Every allegation that you have brought forth before me, you have to provide it. Do you understand? In the court of law. Because I will not settle with you. I am not Tony Abraham, my darling goddaughter. I will not settle with you. I will not sit with you in anybody's office and settle out of court with you. I will take you to court and I will sue you for defamation of character. And I will stand by it, no matter what. Kí ìyá tó bí mi lọ́mọ tí mo love gan, tó jẹjẹ lé mi lórí tí mo love dákú, Olúbùnmi ọmọ Fẹ́túgà, kó jí nínú sàárè ẹ̀ kó ní Ìyábọ̀ dáríjì má jẹ́ ká ṣe kíní yìí báyìí mi ní dá mọ́mísí lòun. Màá ní mọ́mísí ẹ padà lọ sùn síbi tí mo fi yín sí kẹ́ máa gbádùn ayé yín. Kí popsi mi tó ti kú láti how many years ago kó jí kó lọ ọmọ mi ó sin mí dáadáa ó ṣe mí dáadáa ṣùgbọ́n gbọ́ tèmi màá ní dáàdì mi I love you, go back. So please, darling, all this back and forth that you are doing, it doesn't make any sense. Stop using me to make money on Facebook. I know I know you're going through a lot, and I understand. We all go through a lot. Do you understand? We all go through a lot. But my darling, my sugar pie, my sweet pie, I dare you. I dare you. Lizzy Anjorin, I dare you. You know, ó máa rò pé ó máa dàbí last time tí ó lọ bá kí lórúkọ ẹ̀ náà kí lórúkọ ọ̀gá wa iná àjàláńjàlè ń gbò pé kó bẹ̀ mí kó parí ìjà láàrin mi àti ẹ̀ torí pé ó fẹ́ lò mí nínú fíìmù ẹ̀ kí ló ṣe fíìmù ẹ̀ náà kò fó kíní kan tó ṣe ń gbà yẹn tó bẹ̀ mí kí wọ́n á bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe you remember tí mo wá bẹ́ẹ̀ act ó sanwó ẹ̀ fún mi dọ̀là mi dẹ̀ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó ṣe nínú ayé mi èmi sì ṣòro nínú ayé tiẹ̀ you understand. But guess what? I dare you. All your allegations that you have brought forth. And don't just sit down there and put on foundation, wear clothes, sit down there and be saying sepeteri, obo, whatever, is this olala, whatever you call it. I dare you right? You said I am dating Naira Marley. Don't call him Dada, call him his name. If you want to be bold enough with your full chest to come out and mention names. When I'm talking, I'm bold. I will mention your name, my darling. I will come with my full chest, and I will mention your name, my love. I don't fear no bagger. I don't have to be on that no plug or no fake account to come for you. If I want to come for you, I will come for you direct with my page. I don't have that time. I'm not a coward. I don't go under fake plugs. I don't go under fake pages. I don't go under fake accounts. I am original. But my darling, I dare you. Right? I dare you. That everything that you have said about me, I dare you to just mention my name. And stop calling me a state. Sepeteri is, I think, a village or a place or somewhere in Nigeria. Don't call me that. And I ain't joking with you. You see the smiles? I ain't joking. I get coconut head. I ain't gonna listen to nobody. I will make you a scapegoat that you will never forget in your entire life. You know what you have to do, Liz? Just mention my name. Don't even put the Ojo. Just say Iyabo. You are just lover. Iyabo, you dated Naira Marley. Iyabo, you did threesome. Iyabo, you killed Mohbad. Iyabo, you did. You see, just mention my name. My name is just Iyabo. My darling, Liz Anjorin. Except, you want to keep just playing, because you're playing, you're dancing about. You're moving here and there, staging rubbish. I don't curse. I don't curse. But I'll tell you that I know the law, and I will use the law to the best of my abilities. Excuse me? I will do the right and the needful thing. So my darling, don't go back and forth on Facebook and doing all this local trash talks that you've been talking and blabbing. You bold enough, you will stand and you will face me. I am that lion, and I call you lizard. Yes, I dare you. I want to dare you. Because you've said so many defamatory things about me, and I want to dare you so that I can teach you how to play this game. I am Queen Mother for a fucking reason. I am that mother that mothered your mother's mother's mother. You know the small film you had many years ago? I gave it to you, right? Because you lied that I said you should call me auntie. If the likes of the Yuamusa and the rest of them that are younger than me call me my name, why would I want you to call me auntie? I just did not want to associate with you. It's not by force to be your friend, my darling. We're not in the same class. We're not in the same category. I choose who I want to be friends with. I don't have to be friends with anybody. But the last time you stayed the show, you did so many things. I kept quiet. I allowed you. And I still forgave you. And I came and I paid. I helped you promote your movie. I celebrate you on my page. Well, guess what? I went on a live show. I did a show. I mentioned for Tinubu, and you just went crazy. And you started blabbing. My darling, I don't brag. I don't brag. I don't brag. Hello? I dare you, my darling. You will think it's the last time. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ yìí, Yoruba industry, English industry, social media kò sẹ́ni tó máa bá wa dá sí.